What's up? Today I'm going to show you how we can get melodies in our head onto our DAW very quickly with a very simple technique that I haven't seen anyone show yet. So here we have our chord progression. And I already have a melody in my head and I'm going to sing it. Da 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 da. And just so it's a little bit better, I'm gonna add this gate. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Alright, so now that we have this, I'm just gonna freeze it, flatten this. Da 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 da. Alright, so now that we have this, we can click convert melody into new MIDI track, and it's going to convert what we have here. Da, 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 da. So it's definitely not perfect, but you can edit it. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. So there you go. That's a pretty quick way of getting your melodies from your head into your track.